Everyone, what's up? I think all of you are doing great. I am also fit and fine, and I think you can understand the weather condition. It's actually very cold weather. This is for the first time in this winter season I am outside. I actually try to understand what's the weather condition and what the city people they are doing in this type of weather. So I say a little number of people, they are still in the outside. They are going to their office, and some of them are doing several types of other things, like some of the people they are going to their workplace. So it actually doesn't matter what happens there about the weather condition or what the thing happened. Then again they have to go to this type of place because it's actually related to their livelihood. I think beyond you can see that the Bangladeshi flag. Several types of sellers they try to sell this type of Bangladeshi flag because this year, this month, it's actually December, and you know that this is one of the historical months, especially in our Bangladesh history. It's very much significant. 16 December, it was actually our victory day. So for this reason, many people they try to buy this flag, and they try to express their pleasure, express their joy, and such type of things. This is the things in Cumilla Railway Station. You can find several types of people. Some of the people they are actually the passenger, and they try to go in a distant place using railway. But most of the people they are actually try to jogging, and some of the people they are coming here to visit this place, and they are trying to enjoy the beauty, as this is one of the most beautiful natural place here in our Comilla. So that's why they are enjoying this weather, and I think you can understand this is for the first time I am outside of my home. I don't know whenever I will come here in this type of weather. If I come here in this type of weather, then again I will make several types of videos. As you know, I'm very much interested capturing some moments and try to talk about something in front of you. So that's my great pleasure.